Hi guys, I'm Paul from Paul Ford Leather, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I refinish a leather couch. So I'm going to be demonstrating both systems, the wipe-on system and the professional spray-on system. So what I'll do now is I'll cut away and I'll show you what we've got to work on. Rightio, so here we have it. Here's the couch. As you can see, I've got it up on some plastic buckets just to get it at a good working height. Now let's take a closer look at this one. This is a couch that's been really well made. You can see all those studs there, they're all individually hand studded. So someone spent a lot of time building this thing. It's a very, very heavy couch, so I'd say it'd be pretty well built. So what we've got here is the seat bottoms are very, very worn. In fact, all the skin of the leather's worn away completely. And same with that one there. And parts of the leather have worn away as well. So I'll just give you a pan around and give you an idea of what we've got to work on here. So here's one of the sides. Just go around to the outside back. It's getting reasonably late in the day at the moment. And here's the other side. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to replace the leather on the tops of those two cushions. And I have that already cut out, ready to go. So here's the leather there. It's all cut ready to be inserted into the cushion. So we're going to refinish the couch and the leather, and then we're going to send that leather away to the upholsterer, and he's going to sew that into the cushions. The owner of this particular couch, she doesn't want to have the dyed semi-transparent look. She wants a nice solid finish. So we've agreed on a colour that's very, very similar to this. And so what I'll do now is I will cut away and we'll get some gear ready and go for it.